everybody, how's it going? It's Danny the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and oh, it's so beautiful outside. I just had to come out and make some videos. Haven't made some real videos in a while. I just had the Vlogmas videos, been doing some lives. Haven't done a real video since I put out the video on my seed stash, but there's so much that I'm filming right now that it's going to be coming out to you guys in the next couple of weeks, so lots of content. But today we're over here with the chickens because I just came from our local Agway store and I want to show you something really cool. So I'm a newbie chicken owner. I got these four ladies for the first time just this year, and obviously I've been consuming all the YouTube information to learn about keeping my chickens healthy, like Becky's Homestead, Oak Abode, among many others, as well as my YouTube friends that I actually know put out a lot of really good videos on chicken keeping. So when I went looking for good scratch grains to feed in addition to my layer pellets, I decided to try this Do More 6-grain scratch, and it's supposed to contain corn, wheat, oats, barley, uh, millet and peas. And what I found is this bag was mostly dust, millet, or Milo, whatever the difference is there, um, and a handful of cracked corn. I did end up getting a bag of cracked corn that I put into this just to add a little more corn during the really cold week that we just had. But as you see, if I put my hand in there and then I come out, it's just covered in dust. And I really didn't feel like that was what I was looking for because you can see here it's supposed to look like that. And it looked like a bunch of little tiny things and a whole bunch of corn. So, I mean, it's not great. So, I was at my local Agway store. I was getting some more shavings for the coop, and I ran into something made by someone who works there at this Agway store. She is officially affiliated with the Agway brand, but it is Ashley's Chicken. And so this is Ashley's Scratch Treat, and look at that. Doesn't that look so good? There's a lot of black oil sunflower in here. All the little stuff has fallen to the back. Up here, there's a lot more corn and tons of black oil sunflower. Um, it doesn't specify everything that's in here, but there looks to be a lot of grains and seeds. Um, just really healthy stuff. And I got a little, like, half bag of their mealworm, cracked corn, and black oil sunflower. And let me tell you, this was almost $20, I want to say, for a 10-pound bag. This is a 5-pound bag for just under $10, but the quality of that is so much better for the same roundabout price. So if you have an Agway store near you, I don't know if they ship product through Agway, but you can also go to ashley'schickens.com, Ashley's Chickens at AOL.com for an email. I'm not sure if she ships. I just grabbed the card off the table, and actually it turned out that the actual Ashley was there ringing up my order. So she was telling me all about it. We had some good talking about chickens, and my ladies over here are like, lady, stop with the talking, give us the treats. Oh. So I'm actually going to mix it in with the Do More, just because I've got that cracked corn and Milo still in there. So I may as well use it all up. But I'll use this to mix it all. Oh yeah, look at this. That's like a million times better. We'll take our mealworms and more sunflower, put that in there, give this thing a real good mix. So way better quality at the same price or less than the name brand. Makes for some happier, healthy chickens. I've been toying with making a mix like this myself, and I probably will when I get to the new property or whatever new property that I end up getting. But for now, Ashley's Chickens is definitely going to be meeting my needs because, as you can see, they're loving it. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming along. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.